So here I've created a new file in Photoshop, A4 at 300 dpi. Once I've got this, I'm going on Google Maps and trying to find a map area that I like. Try to choose a map either related to a location that means something to you, or maybe a local map, somewhere where you've lived or somewhere where you live now. Try to choose some sort of meaningful location on there so you can explain what you've chosen in your annotations. So then I'm going to paste this in Photoshop and transform, scale. I'm going to press my Shift key to make sure that it transforms in proportion and that map is not stretched out either horizontally or vertically. Once I've got in the location I like, I've changed the brightness and contrast, started editing it on there. Remember to screenshot all this so you've got this in your annotations. Then I'm going to change the color balance. I'm not quite happy with what I see here, so I'm cancelling that and changing the hue and saturation on here until I've got some map in slightly different colours that I like and I think look attractive on there. Once I've got one I like, I go and save it in the maps folder on my area and save it as a JPEG on there. Then I'm going to go back and carry on the exercise where I'm editing a few more. So either adjusting the color balance or hue and saturation. You could invert the picture as well or turn it black and white. It's up to you. Remember to screenshot your work every time that you do create a new edit, so you can paste that into your PowerPoint and it will gain you some mark in your portfolio work.